everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to unpublish your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have. So guys, let's go ahead and find the website that you want to unpublish. Let's say this is the website, go ahead and click on it, and now this will open up our website in the page. So guys, after opening our website, you can see at the left side of the page, we currently have a lot of options that we can use to edit our website. So guys, to unpublish a website, all you have to do is go ahead and find this option right here called settings, go ahead and click on that. And as you can see here guys, the first option right here in settings is called site availability. As you can see, it is currently private, but if you have already published it guys, then it will say published and active. So guys, go ahead and click on that, and if you have published the website, all you have to do is go ahead, if it is on public, all you have to do is click on private, and after that save the changes and go back, and you have successfully unpublished your website, and no one will be able to see it. But yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.